How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed, beautiful souls. Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Happy, beautiful Easter Sunday to you all, you wonderful, incredible souls. I hope you are all having an incredibly wonderful day today. And I know that this video is going to absolutely change your life today, going forward in the future. And this is going to show you exactly what patience is all about. Okay. Crypto has only been around since 2009. Okay, that's not very long at all. It's just about 13 and a half years now in crypto. So very interesting. And I've only been in crypto for 2.5 years. 2 and a bit years, yeah, not even 2.5 years. So guys, today's video is gonna blow your mind out the water. This is gonna break the internet. It is literally gonna completely go viral, change people's lives. And if you want to be able to share this with other people and make the price do exactly this, of course we need to help other people get into this crypto space. So please share this video as far and wide as you possibly can with all your friends and all your family, because they need to know about this right now, because they will never ever pick up Bitcoin ever again at this price. Okay, 20,000 is cheap as chips right now, and I'm going to show you guys something that's going to just absolutely rip your mind into bits and pieces. So guys, you guys know, if you want to trade this with me for the long term, this is how many months you have to trade it for over the long term, and be patient with your trade. You will of course incur costs and fees. And of course, if you want to trade it on spot, you can do the same. So derivatives or spot, either or both is up to you, depending on how much of a trader you are and how much money you actually want to make, what your goals are in crypto, etc. Smash that like button for me and hit that Bybit link down below there. You can get a $30,000 deposit bonus when you use my link right there, right now. Guys, I don't want to waste any more time, because I'm going to be spending at least 15 minutes on this video with you. That is how important it is, and how much detail I've spent at least a few hours putting together this chart, this information, so that I can show you guys where, what, how, and what's next for Bitcoin. If you like that, please smash the thumbs up. And of course, I want to know what you think about my videos down below in my comments. Please let me know. I appreciate you guys. Yesterday I did a video, because today's video is in correlation with this video, with what I've been saying, that Bitcoin is looking like it wants to go to 37,525. At that point, I think we'll have a little bit of a rejection. I think this, now what I'm about to show you, will happen within the next 2 months. Okay, I don't think it's going to happen today. I think it's going to happen within the next 2 months. So by the end of June. So I know we're in the beginning of April, so call it 2.5 months. Okay, is where I think that price will happen. I don't think it's going to happen right now anymore, and I'm going to just say that to you, because I think we're going to just sit and hover in the same levels that we have been hovering in at the moment. I think we're going to literally up until here probably trade within this range, maybe spike up a little bit, maybe spike down a little bit, but we'll trade within this range here. That's what I think. And if you guys excuse me, if you guys want to trade and make money between these parallel channels, then you may as well hit my Bible link down below. Sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. Simple, very simple rule. Follow your stochastic indicators on your 4-hour time frame. Very simple rule on that time frame. But this isn't what this video is about. This video is on this chart. Now this chart is gonna blow your mind freaking out the water here, guys. Now let's start off way back at the beginning, where Bitcoin actually started. But I just want to point one thing out to you right now. Look at where we are. Just keep this in the back of your mind. 9 blue bars, okay, with what I'm about to show you. So these are the averages, and we're going to talk about this now. Okay, so let's go right to the beginning of Bitcoin, and as you can see, right down all the way, I mean, look at where Bitcoin was, guys. Imagine, you know, my mates told me about Bitcoin all the way down here. They told me to start mining Bitcoin because it's going to be the biggest thing on the earth, and I laughed and I carried on jawling. Well, that was a big mistake, and I'll never do that again. So, and that's why I'm still saying to you, that doesn't matter that you didn't get in down here. That's okay. Yes, Bitcoin has only gone one way and one way up. literally, as you can see here in the charts, literally has gone and from zero to that point. And now Bitcoin was launched on the 1st of October, more or less in October 2009, as you can see. So have a look at my chart here. So very much so, I'm only going to look at my RSI. So the RSI is going to give us a great indication as to what has happened in the chart. So now all the green bars, 12 average green bar, 12 is the green bars here. Then you'll see here light blue. So it goes from green to light blue to dark blue. So light blue is 8 bars. Okay. Then it goes from the blue bars. Now notice here that when this broke out on the blue, okay, this was a massive bullish buy, but this indicator didn't indicate over here. It actually told us to sell. It told us to sell at this point, and then the indicator gave us a sell signal only over here, which was actually the turning point. And look what happened. Boom. Okay, we fell right back down, and that was the indication. So the RSI gave us the most early indicator here. Now guys, this indicator here that I'm busy using is the stock to flow model. Okay, that's why the candles are these colors. So now you can see here, this was the exception to the rule. So this literally broke through the top median band, and then you have this the top range band, and then you have this median band here, which gives us the indication of color. When the color of the band changes to a very specific color, it tells us that there's an opportunity to get in. Now the RSI indicator here told us to buy here, so we got in very early. We had to wait a few months before actually anything happened, and at this point here, this is when this just pumped. Okay, then on top of it we had a sell indicator. So now we've got 4 yellow bars and 6 magenta bars. So we were told to sell at this point here. Now that's at this level right here. That's where we were told to sell. So essentially we were told to sell up here, okay, like, which is a decent amount of the way up of this one here. So then what you can notice here in Bitcoin is that we fell down to the 50 level on the RSI, and then we immediately had a crazy green candle pump up here, which then the same like down there brought us up to this this top range level, and the median, or the bars on this one was 13 green bars. Then we went, okay, and then at this point you would have had another sell signal, because essentially we had it didn't come up above. So I use my RSI on 80-20. I love the 80-20 principle. As you can see, it works very nicely for trading. So this, guys, if you want to trade long term, this is a long term trading strategy, not a short term trading strategy. I mean, this is years we're talking about here at a time. So what you can see here is there was a sell signal pretty much at this point, which got us in early at the RSI. Then we basically sold all the way. We flatlined 7 light blue bars, flatlined in the blue again. The blue was under the RSI, getting us to reset. Then when the moment the buy signal came, we had a buy signal. I mean, the RSI indicator indicated that a month before that there was a buy signal here, so that we had a massive buy. Another 13 blue bars, and then 7 magenta bars and 6 yellow bars. Okay, then we had this crazy pump in 2018, 2017 to the upside. Guess what? It smashed through the median line. It smashed to the top of this chart, this top range line here again, and this one was 15 green candles. Okay, now look where the RSI indicator had told us to sell. Okay, because of the crossover. Look, it literally told us to sell right here. It said, sell me now. Okay, this was the confirmation of the sell, and then there was another indication to sell. So this signal's a little bit late. It's like a month to 2 months late. So your RSI is very extraordinarily accurate. Okay, then we had, again, 6 light blue bars, and guess what? We had 11 blue bars. Okay, and look, we had a sell here, but that's just because we had a pop down here, which was the COVID rubbish. And guess what? 7 magenta bars. Oh, guess what? 6 yellow bars. Guys, look what happened yet again. Okay, so you see, this signal here told us to sell. Okay, so we sold. boom, which is okay because essentially we did come all the way back down from 15,000 all the way back down to 4,800. So that's a 66% drop. So of course you're going to sell, okay? So then essentially over here, when this crossed again from the 50, so it's the second time it's now happened that I've pointed out, when the magenta starts turning into the yellow and it hits the 50. Is this just a small retracement in the larger time frame of Bitcoin, guys? This is the craziest thing about this chart, is this is giving us exactly what we need to know. So I will point out to you what I can foresee happening based on the past, but doesn't always mean that future is based on past, but it has significance and relevance because it's tracking what it has previously done before and giving it an average outcome. So you can see over here, okay, we then had this massive buy signal with a confirmation of a buy signal here and above the 20 moving average there. We had a massive buy signal over here, okay, and then on top of it we ticked this beautiful energy right here, okay, over at the top where we had a sell signal right here, okay. That was literally at the top. Boom, sell signal, guys. Sell signal on the RSI. So you could have literally taken a trade and you could have shorted the market at this point. Boom, you would have ridden the RSI all the way down here to this level, and then you probably would have taken some profits. And honestly, I would never have gone into a trade at this point because we were not low enough below the RSI. But look at what it did. It faked out, made a new all-time high, and then boom, look what happened. It absolutely crashed, guys. Now guess where we are right now. We're at 7 light blue bars and we're at 911 bars. And look how far we are underneath the median and the top bar here. Now what I want to show you guys is that this is the light blue. So the light blue average was 6 to 8 bars or candles. So the average was 7, okay? Here's 7. The blue was between 9 and 13, so the average is 11. Guess where we are? 9 blue bars. Okay, so then the next, the magenta, which was the place where you had to sell, okay, was the 6.5 area. So we had a bit of a smash up and then a retracement, but it never ever came back down to the low. Ever. Not once did it ever come back down to the low. So we can, for me, we might do another 2 candles. So end of June, 2 candles up, okay, which would mark my price, as I said, 37,525. Before maybe we retrace back down, I don't know, anything could happen. They could do another black swan event for us. Who knows what could happen here, guys? But I think this could at least come back down to the 20,000 level, okay? And at that point, you will never ever buy Bitcoin at 20,000 again. I can tell you that, and I can assure you that right now, okay, because it has never gone to the previous lows ever before, only to the previous all-time highs. So then the yellow was 5 months, so 4 to 6 months was the average, so the average is 5 months. And then the green, which was the absolute parabolic run in every single bull market, okay? So the yellow was getting you started. The magenta was telling you buy, buy, buy. In fact, the blue was telling you where to buy, okay? The light blue was telling you where to sell. The blue was the warm-up. Oh, it's a bit cold, but we're going to buy, we're going to buy, we're going to go through it, we're going to take the time, wait 11 months for us to get through to another 6.5 months. Okay, you can see now we're like a year and a half into trading now, and we've only just like maybe made a little bit. Okay, now we've got 5 months of good, strong, bullish action after that, and 13 months of absolute parabolic run. Okay, so that's 11.5. So 22, so 23.5 plus 13 is 36.5 months of absolute bull run, guys. I'm going to tell you something right now. We have still got a long way to go till the end of the bull run. So I hope you're buying at this point here, because you need to be buying. And guess what? My RSI, what did it do? It crossed over, okay? It crossed over right here at this point. And guess what? We haven't even had the buy signal that you would get here just yet, okay? But we're above the 20, and we're above, I added this 9 indicator with a smoothing line. So we got 9, okay, because the moment it comes under it, it's sell time. The moment it goes above it, it is buy time. So guess what? It is currently buy time for Bitcoin. Okay, massive, massive buy time. And where do I feel and see Bitcoin is going based on the analysis that I've just given you? Well, guess what? It has to come and meet this beautiful baby somewhere here, okay, at around 140k. So if not, very soon we shall see 100 within. So magenta, yellow, then massive green. Green has a blow off top all the way up to the top median band, and that would be at about $245,000 Bitcoin, guys. Did I just give you something that is now going to completely blow your mind away? Okay, that is a 10x in Bitcoin from where we are today, right here, right now. So $1 million Bitcoin in 90 days, I don't believe that, okay? But a $250,000 Bitcoin, okay, within the next 36 months. So 36 months, let's take us, so that will take us to, so it's 3 years, so it's 26. End of 26 is where the bull market will be finished. So by that time, you would have had to have taken profits, and I hope you would have made yourselves bucket loads of money for you and your family. And if you guys enjoyed this video, okay, and you want me to do more videos like this for you, where I go into in-depth analysis like this, because right now, guys, this is just the beginning, okay, just the beginning. Please look where we are. This is activated confirmation. So by the end of 26, so right here is essentially what I'm referring to. So let me go and draw a vertical line for you guys. Okay, boom. Okay, let's see where that puts us. All the way up here. Okay, look at that. Actually, where I drew my arrow. Interesting. So I'm going to just pull my arrow and let's pull it right there. I'm going to leave this right here for us so that we know when this will happen, guys. Because I'm telling you right now that this is when we're going to get crazy in Bitcoin. If you guys like the video, please smash the thumbs up for me. Please, guys, share this video. We want people to know about this, because more people know about this, the better and the sooner this is going to happen. Easy as that. But at the end of the day, it's relentless and it will happen, and nobody is going to stop it ever. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Smash my buy button link down below for $30,000 deposit bonus. Take a trade, a long-term trade. Guys, get in small and start to scale up your trade. You will make millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, and you will make a lot of Bitcoin traveling up here. Okay. Thanks for watching. I appreciate that, guys. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful and beautiful day ahead. Much love, much light. See you on the next one.